One thing you have to stop doing is making excuses. Stop saying, oh, I don't have time, I don't have this, but the problem is, but well, let's see. Well, see, the thing is, that's a lot of excuses, all right? So I got a question from somebody that said that they need some help picking out a lunch or dinner or breakfast, you know, like a full day of eating. So I said, man, I got you covered. Let me show you. If you're struggling to find something to eat, let me show you how easy it is to stay on track, select the right kind of foods, and keep these in stock. Be good to go, I'm trying to tell you. So let me show you what you can get real quick. This is what I would do if I came in and don't know what I'm gonna have for breakfast, lunch, dinner. Let me show you what I would have. Oh, they also said they needed it as quick as possible, right? They didn't want to be cooking forever. I feel you. I don't like to cook forever either. I'll try to make mine as quick as possible. If I had to do it super quick, let me show you what I would have. So first of all, what I would do is come over to the section that has the meats that you can put in the microwave, all right? If you're trying to keep it quick, meats that you can put in the microwave is my go-to. It's a game changer, all right? They come in clutch. So let me show you some of the ones I like to have. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm looking at the Kevin's. So on Kevin's, all these look good, but I will go with something like this. Now, if you've ever had Kevin's, they are great. They go in the microwave for 5 minutes. These are a cheat code. If you are in the need of a quick meal, all right? What you can do with these Kevin's, what I like to do personally, like a meal like this, if you're having carbs, go ahead and put it over some white rice, like some jasmine rice goes great with this meal, okay? What I also like to do is if you're going low carb, put it over some cauliflower rice. You can go that route, or you can just have it with veggies, all right? What I like to also do is steam some fresh broccoli and have this with some fresh broccoli, and that's your lunch or that's your dinner. I mean, I don't know if it can get much easier than that, okay? Kevin's comes in clutch. I talked about these Kevin's before. They're great. They have chicken sirloin steak strips with gravy. Let's check that out. Look at this one. Look at that. Sirloin steak strips with gravy. Come on now. You can't, 5 minutes in the microwave. I mean, there's just no more excuses, okay? So if you're looking for quick and easy meals, go check out Kevin's. Come over to this meat aisle where they have it in the refrigerator section. Check out Kevin's. Pick a flavor. If you want beef or if you want chicken, whichever flavor you're trying to get down with, go with that flavor. It's about what you put on it, all right? Or what you put this with. So you're gonna go with a rice, but also with some type of veggie. Get your favorite veggie, whether it's asparagus, broccoli, coleslaw. You can do coleslaw as well. That's a great way to do it as well. So I needed a quick meal, 5 minutes in the microwave, Kevin's. All right, Kevin's, go get you some Kevin's, okay? Check these out, all right? Okay, another quick and easy thing that you can do with this Korean barbecue chicken is to go get you one of these salads right here, okay? The salads in the bag, man, they can't get any easier than that, okay? You can choose plenty of different flavors. So they have an Asian style, they have Southwest style, avocado ranch, whatever kind you want, okay? Just grab you one of the salads. Now, what that's gonna do also, as you're getting your protein, it's gonna provide more volume to your meal. So with this one right here, probably something good to grab. So like this right here, this Asian style will go great with that meat, all right? All you gotta do, you put this in the microwave for 5 minutes and you put it over this salad right here, and you got you a great lunch or a great dinner. Or you can do half of this for lunch and then the other half for dinner, however you want to roll. But this is a great way to stay on track, right? And it tastes super good. It's so easy, all right? If you keep these in your fridge, you don't have to worry about dinner. Dinner's already done. When you get home, throw it in the microwave and you're good to go. But I also recommend, even if you grab one of these salads, make sure you get you some type of vegetable. Now, right here in this area, they have all the vegetables that you need. You can go with some cauliflower if you want to, you can do that. I like to get these as well. These are super easy to cook. All you got to do is steam these if you want to. Put them on the stove and steam them. It's just so simple. Put a little Tony Sachets on top and they come out great, all right? Another great way to do it, if you have an oven, as this is in the microwave, start air broiling this. Put a little butter on top, spray butter, and add some Tony Sachets on there. And I'm trying to tell you, it's a meal. It's that simple, okay? I know I got the message that you needed something easy to eat, and I'm trying to show you easy meals to have. And if you keep these meals in stock in your fridge, then there's no more excuses. You don't have to worry about what you're gonna have for dinner. You don't have to worry about what you're gonna have for lunch, all right? Because you stayed ready. So I'm showing you these items right here. So go get your protein first and then get you a veggie. Any kind of veggies you want. They got all kinds. I've cooked with these plenty of times. This broccoli slaw is a great base for this right here, okay? Microwave, put it over this. Broccoli slaw, you can't beat it. I'm trying to tell you, it tastes great, okay? Try that out. One of my other favorite veggies is gonna be this right here, asparagus. You cannot go wrong with asparagus, all right? I highly recommend you get some asparagus in your life, okay? They're so easy to cook. What I like to do with asparagus, put them in a pan, olive oil on them, and then a little Tony Sachets or whatever your favorite kind of spice is, okay? It makes it super easy, all right? It goes great with this meal right here, all right? You put these two together, it's gonna hold you down. You see what I'm trying to show you here it just makes it so easy, right? There's no more excuses. What you stop doing is making excuses. That's what's holding you back right there. If you keep some of these items in stock, it's gonna really help you, all right? Now let's go look for a breakfast that we can have. So we have our lunch and we have our lunch or dinner. And then let's go look for a quick breakfast, okay? Okay, now if you're at Walmart, what I want you to check for, go by the bread section real quick. I've been having this lately. Not all stores have this, but if you can find Sola, the protein bread, one slice is 10 grams of protein. I've been having this in the morning or just throughout the day. I'll just take one slice, put some jelly on it, and I got 10 grams of protein. You cannot beat that, all right? So if you can, go find this. I know not all stores have that, but this is optional. If you're at Walmart, go check it out, all right? I'm trying to tell you that bread comes in clutch when you're having your eggs and your yogurt. And you're like, you know what, let me get me 10 more grams of protein. I mean, you can't beat that, but you know, let's go look for something else real quick. Okay, now the easiest way to get your breakfast, of course, I always say yogurt, but if you're looking for the easiest way to do it, something like this, okay, 30 grams of protein. This can be your breakfast right here. If you have it with like a bagel or something like that, that's a great way, or just maybe some toast, or put it with your eggs. Or if you're just on the go and you got to, you know, you're taking the kids to school or you got to go to work or something, grab you one of these, all right? 30 grams of protein. There's a few different ones. This one right here has 20 grams of protein. So however much protein you need to get. Ratio has one too. Let me show you Ratios. Ratios has 26 grams of protein. And I mean, just go pick you one. Come over to the yogurt section and find you one, okay? It's just so easy. You don't need a spoon or anything. They're just making it so easy for you. So these little ones here, 23 grams of protein. I've talked about these before. They have fiber in them. Take your pick, whichever one you want, all right? Just get you a few of these for those mornings when you're like, man, I don't have time to cook. I'm busy, but I'm still trying to hit my protein goals, okay? You don't want to skip the morning protein. If you skip the morning protein, you're going to be trying to get protein later on in the day, and it's going to make it tough, all right? So if you try to hit as much protein in the morning as you can, especially for breakfast, then you're well on your way to hitting your goals, all right? So you're not stuck at nighttime frustrated with yourself because you're like, man, I didn't hit my goals today. What did I do? Well, that's because, you know, you're 40 grams short. You could have had a 40-gram protein breakfast, all right? And there's plenty of ways to do that. These are just easy drinks. These drinks like this are just easy ways to get your protein in, all right? They're not, you don't have to have them all the time. But if you're just looking for an easy way, go get you some of these drinks, or just go get your regular yogurt and put it in the measuring cup and just eat that joker out the measuring cup, all right? Pick your yogurt, measure it out, however much protein you need, and eat it like that. I mean, there's just no more excuses, okay? I'm just trying to show you different ways you can do it. Now, what I like to do also is I like to eat eggs every morning. So I make me some eggs, 2 eggs, 2 egg whites. Usually if you follow me on my Instagram or TikTok, you see what I'm eating for breakfast. And it's kind of the same stuff. It's based around eggs pretty much. And then I add something to it, some yogurt, some cottage cheese, the protein bread, maybe a bagel. I mean, it just matters, some cereal, you know, but I usually make sure I have eggs every single day to get the protein, get the vitamins from the eggs. Super good for you. So if you like eggs, go that route. You can also do hard-boiled eggs if you want to. If you don't have time to cook, hard-boiled eggs are great as well. Liquid egg whites, cheat code way to get more protein in. You make the choice, see what works for you. But one thing you have to stop doing is making excuses. Stop saying, oh, I don't have time. I don't have this, but the problem is, well, let's see. The thing is, that's a lot of excuses, all right? Whenever I'm trying to help you out, all I keep hearing is all these, well, to see the thing and all that stuff, that's not gonna work. That's not gonna help you get to your goals. You need to stop making excuses. Follow some of these ideas right here I'm trying to tell you. You got your lunch, you got your breakfast. There's plenty of different options. You don't have to skip breakfast. You don't have to eat something unhealthy for lunch or for dinner because I'm showing you what to do. All right, so just take these ideas. Hopefully they help you out. Let me know in the comments if they help you out. Go check out some other videos. I got plenty of different options on there as well, okay? So definitely check some of these out, all right? Let me know what you think. Let's go.